Great. So I'm here with
Mike Hodnick.
and this is the first time you've been part of the leadership team for the
Yes.
Twin Cities Co-Camp.
Yes.
So what has the experience been like from that perspective?
It's been great. It's been fun. It's actually a lot more labor intensive than I imagined, but it's great to make sure that the event goes smoothly for everybody. And, it's fun to kind of interact more with people, hanging out kind of in the registration area, and get to see people more rather than just trying to get to your next session. So, I like being a part of the event because I think the event is really awesome. So just being able to contribute is great. I like that. So it's good.
And you actually wrote a theme song for the Co-Camp.
I did write a theme song. Yes. It's really kind of a stick it to the man kind of a rock theme. Really energetic, and we've got our own theme song.
And when I asked you to do it, I was expecting more of like the kind of background, smooth jazz type of electronica thing. And then you sent me the first cut of it, and I was like, wow, I have no idea if this is going to work or not. But the more you refined it, and the more I've heard it, I'm like, this actually does work. So
I want something just really energetic. That would be just kind of get people excited about the event, and something that we could use for not really advertising, but any video we do, the song could be a part of it. Something that would get people excited about the event.
And what other Co-Camp has a theme song?
Yeah, I don't know of any others.
I don't know of any of them, so I think we're now outshining everybody else.
Correct.
Yes, all right, so you actually also did a talk at this Co-Camp as well, in the Connect.
Yes.
So why don't you talk a little bit about what you were showing there?
I did a talk on doing development in Windows 7 with .NET for the Xbox Connect sensor bar. And the talk focused on one of the few possible libraries that you can use that some people of the development community have slapped together in the last 3 months, 4 months to do Connect development with. Focused on things like hand tracking, skeleton tracking, user detection, swipe gestures, waving, and then how to do some certain tasks in Windows like cursor control with your hand, and some things like that.
So with the Kinect, it obviously was originally coming from Xbox and packaged with the Xbox. Do you see it becoming its own separate device, like even like just a mouse or putting a keyboard to your computer that you'll just be able to, because you can buy the Kinect separately, but having it being a full-fledged supported device, you can plug it anywhere and do development on it. See that coming up?
I do. The Mix conference that Microsoft is putting on is next week, and they actually, for this is coming right in 2 days, and they actually have a number of sessions dedicated to Connect development and Connect natural user interfaces. So yes, I believe that the Connect would be a device that you would use for applications other than gaming, for situations where a mouse and keyboard really aren't the best experience that a user could experience, to be redundant. I think absolutely.
Like interpreting dreams and then pushing them off to the side.
Exactly. So in the future, we can fight crime with the Kinect sensor bar using gestures, and predict the future. And,
totally original idea.
Yeah, exactly.
All right. Well, thank you, Mike.
Yeah, no problem.